went through the red.
Red light stop, green light go. Red light stop, green light go. Red stop, green go. Red light, green light, now you know.
What lane do you want, mate? In your Jeep? Oh, you don't know. You don't know how to turn corners properly, obviously. Fucking wakey wakey, you dumb shit. Oh. Another one behind me with no lights on. And it's a four-wheel drive. Of course, why can't we put our lights on? No, of course not. We can see in the dark. We've got magic eyesight. Or we've got our infrared goggles on, one of the two. And if he doesn't know he hasn't got his lights on, then there's something very wrong.
I don't think I'd ever be able to see as the son of a gun.
What the fuck are you doing? Fucking just pull out like that, you freaking idiot! Oh, you fucking idiot. What a twat. Yeah, fucking good one. Brilliant. Fucking twats, that was. Oh, we're going to have an accident here in a sec. Oh, we are seriously going to have... Oh my god. Are you serious? Oh my god. Anyway. Love it when they look, eh? Come on. Yeah, thanks mate, I know. I'll bear that in mind. Yeah. Oh, shit. That's not very fucking clever. Even though I'm in bloody Yellowford Road, oh you scumbag! You bloody scumbag! Bloody queue jumper again at the roundabout. Anyway.
Oh no, that's a bad sign, Peter. The siren is not a good sign. That means somebody fucked up badly.
You fucking wanker. You fucking wanker. What a fucking dipshit. what a dickhead. What a dickhead. 877 and another one. 2 dickheads in a row. Are we going to get 3? Fucking hell. Oh, look at these dickheads. Look at these dickheads. Blocking the fucking road. Look at them. Blocking the fucking intersection. What a fucking mess. What a joke. Fuck me.
Has been scrapped. Prince Harry is not expected to join his family on the Buckingham Palace balcony when he attends the King's coronation on May 6th.
It's a fucking slip road!
It's big. 8.
Straight through the red. There's another one. Oh, good one, dickhead. What a fucking classic move that one was.
Are you stupid or something?
Stupid is as stupid does, sir.
Oh, that's really fucking good. That is brilliant. Lights! Bloody headlights, you idiot. Some bloody lights on. Fucking hell, what an idiot. Oh, here he comes. What a dickhead. What a fuckstick. Yeah, what's your problem, mate? I'm telling you to fucking put your lights on, you dickhead. What's your problem? What is your fucking problem? What is your problem? Put your lights on! Oh, fucking hell. Yeah! Well, put your fucking lights on! Fucking dickhead. This guy's a fucking psycho. This guy's an absolute fucking psycho. What a fucking psycho. Fucking dickhead. What a fucking psycho. Oh, what a good turd that one was. Fucking idiot. No, don't worry about merging into the lane correctly, will you? Fucking good one, mate. Brilliant fucking manoeuvre in the truck. Just push your way in. Oh, what the fuck are you doing? What the fuck are you doing, dickhead? Fucking knob jockey! Jesus Christ! Fucking dumb bitch! Right over on the wrong side of the fucking road. Whoa, that birdie was... Oh, fuck off, mate! Fucking idiot, sticking his hand up in me. Yes, I'll fucking Tesla, fuck off.
Denied.
Oh, really? You're gonna do that to me, Mr. Policeman, because I'm going slow? What a fucking joke. You're in such a fucking hurry, are ya? Fucking dickhead copper doing that to me.
Come to Australia, you might accidentally get killed. Your blood is bound to be spilled. With fear your pants will be filled. Because you might accidentally get killed.